Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. It's Jess here. Today I'm super excited to show you something I've been working on for a while, my handmade crochet blankets, inspired by my favorite pop culture icons. If you love yarn, movies, and a bit of nostalgia, you're in the right place. So I've always been obsessed with pop culture. Movies, games, shows, you name it. And I wanted to mix that with my love of crochet, and that's how this whole project started. My first blanket was actually Super Mario from Super Mario Brothers. I had no clue how long it would take, but once I finished it, I was hooked. Pun intended. Each new blanket became a little fandom tribute, like a love letter in yarn form. Each blanket starts the same way, with a graph. I usually take an image of the character and run it through a pixel or graphing program like Stitch Fiddle and plan out my yarn colors. Then comes the fun part, if not slightly painful, actually stitching it. Each square of the pattern is one stitch, and depending on the design, it can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. I usually have my favorite show playing in the background because nothing makes counting stitches better than rewatching Supernatural for the 50th time. Now for the fun part, my favorites. This one here is Ghostface. I love how the colors turned out. It was a total nightmare to plan, but it's probably the one I'm most proud of. And this one, Stitch, I made as a gift from my grandmother, and seeing her reaction made every tangled ball of yarn completely worth it. Every blanket feels like a snapshot of a different fandom moment in my life. Crocheting these blankets has taught me patience, problem solving, and that no matter how many times you swear you're done with yarn, you'll start another project. It's also amazing how supportive the crochet and fandom communities are. People share patterns, advice, or just geek out over the designs, and it's so much fun. So yeah, that's a little behind the scenes look at my handmade pop culture crochet blankets, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, it really helps. And tell me in the comments, what pop culture character should I crochet next? And don't forget to subscribe for more crafty chaos, fandom fun, and probably way too much yarn. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one. Bye!